Okay, come. So, correct? So what's the problem? No expense, no expense, no asset. Am I correct? When expense is under, when expense is under, then profit is correct. Next, your cash is not credited. Your cash is credited, correct not? But did you record? So your cash is Y over, you have paid, your money go down already, correct not? But you did not record. As per the record, will your money reduce? No. So your cash at bank is still overstated. Are you with me? Yes? Next. Ah, because you're supposed to credit your bank, correct? You're supposed to credit your cash, correct? Yeah. When you pay, you credit cash, correct? Yes or no? Yes. But you did not credit it. You did not record it, correct? When you don't record it, will the money go down? Good. You're supposed to credit cash, correct? Correct, huh? But now you did not record. When you don't record, will the cash go down? No credit. If no credit, the cash will still remain high. Are you okay? Because remember, because here your asset is credited, not debited. Credit asset is plus or minus. Asset debit is plus, correct or not? Yes. So asset credit means you are deducting it. So you're supposed to deduct, but you did not deduct. When you don't deduct, your cash is overstated. Later you understand? Later you explain to her, can? Huh? Sure. Right. Maybe no, maybe you keep trying more. You'll see this kind of question coming up some more. You will see this kind of question coming up some more. I'll let you try. Okay? Okay, come, let's move on. Okay, here. What is the transaction? What is the transaction here, guys? Payment received from accounts receivable. What is the problem? Not recorded. Now, let me ask you. What's a double entry for payment received from customers? Debit. Payment received from accounts receivable. Debit. You receive money, correct or not? And you credit your accounts receivable. Why? Because accounts receivable is reducing. Now, you got the answer. What's the classification for bank? What's the classification for accounts receivable? So this is under, this is over. So what's the effect on asset? Remember, I say when your debit and your credit is the same classification, the answer is no effects. Are you following me? Boy, you are lost. Is it okay? Are you okay? Sure. I see you getting headache. You sure? I will mark your paper first in exam. Can I move on? Am I going too fast? Yes, I think I'm going too slow. I only got 6 hours. But don't worry if you think you don't understand. My recording is there. I have also, I'm supposed to meet your lecturers, but your lecturers are not here yet. Because I want your lecturers to also guide you. When is your exam? When is your midterm? 26th of November. There's another 15 days more. So you will meet your lecturer before exam. So I told your lecturers to go through whatever I do. Right? Okay, good. Come. Okay, now. This one can be confusing. Let's do slow and steady. People at the back. Shh. People at the back. People at the back. People at the back. Stop talking. The girl at the last row, non-stop talking still. Right at the back. Are you ready for me to continue my class? I see you busy talking. Yes, no? In Malaysia, you know what I do? Anybody talk, I say, okay, all of you, look at this girl. All look at the girl. In Malaysia, I do that. Okay? And now you understand why I say students fail? Is it because of me? Is it because of your lecturer? Is it because of the subject? It's because of YOU. It's because of YO. You understand? And please follow. I'm here to help you. I'm really here to help you. Okay, Ken, don't come for attendance. You see, one boy non-stop on handphone. God bless me. Okay, come. Let's continue, okay? All right, now read carefully. What is the transaction? Collected cash from a client for consultancy service to be provided next year. Okay, good. What's your double entry? Debit, bank credit, unearned, which is an asset and liability. Okay, bank or cash lah, the same. Are you with me? Correct? But what is the error? Wrongly recorded as debit, cash, credit, consulting fees, revenue. So which means that debit, bank or cash, okay, asset, and credit the revenue, which means that the problem is on debit or credit. This one got no problem, correct or not? Yes. So you know the problem. You know how to identify the problem already now, correct or not? Okay, good. Now, you are supposed to record in unearned account, correct or not? But did you open unearned account? No unearned, no liability. So therefore, liability under or over? Very good. Okay. Here, you have credited revenue. My question is, are you supposed to credit revenue? No. But since you have credited revenue, your revenue is So your profit is fantastic. So what happened to your equity? Fantastic. Do I make sense to you? Never mind. You watch the recording first. I'll get your lecturer to assist you also. I will get your lecturer to assist you also. Help you. Okay? Can I move on? Awesome. I move on, yeah? Okay, good. Here. What is a transaction? Additional capital received into the business's bank. What's your double entry? Debit, bank, credit, capital, correct? Bank is asset, capital is? Okay, good. What is the problem? You recorded twice. So which means very direct. Have you under recorded the transaction or over recorded the transaction? Over. So which means that your asset is, your equity is. So the answer is no, no. No, no. I give you another tips. Please master this because final exam got this one again. But 10 marks. In final exam, got the similar kind of question, 10 marks. So please master the knowledge. I will do another revision for that again later on. But the concept is the same. But that one also involve adjusting entries. Okay, can I move on? Okay, good. Now, what is your transaction here? Utilities expense for the month 9,000. Okay, paid or not paid? Paid or not paid? Not paid. So what's your double entry? Debit. We did something like this just now. Debit utilities, which is an expense, and credit utilities, payable, liability. Are you with me? How much? 9,000, correct? But what is the error? Wrongly recorded as 6. So which means later, who's the person in charge? Can you check out the mic? Who is the person who brought the mic for me? That's the class, right? Okay, never mind. Any one of you. Please change the mic for me, Kenna. It's annoying. Kenna? Okay, good. Now my question to you. Have you understate the expense or overstate the expense? You understated the expense, correct or not? When you understate the expense, what happened to profit? Good. And your liabilities is under or over? Under or over? You're supposed to record as 9,000, but you recorded as 6,000. So you have understated. Okay? Understated, overstated is also equals to under-recorded, over-recorded. And layman term, we use the word under-record, over-record. Professional accounting term, we call understate, overstate. Are you with me? Okay, let me just check with you one more thing. How many of you here are accounting or finance major? How many of you are going to do degree in accounting or degree in finance? Put up hand. I just want to see. Because if you are unlucky, you also see me. Okay. Can I move on? Okay, good. Now, what is a transaction? Bought a vacuum cleaner for office use and paid cash. What's the double entry? Debit, equipment, credit, cash. Asset, asset. I don't know what's wrong. Can you try? Can you try first? I don't know why it's hanging a lot today. Okay, come. So this is asset and asset. Correct now, guys? But what is the problem? Recorded as equipment and credit accounts payable. So which means you debit as equipment, asset, which is no problem, right? But you credited your... Okay, good. So you recorded this, you did not record this, correct? So my question to you, since I did not credit my cash will be high or low? I am supposed to credit my cash. If I credited my cash will be low. Am I correct? But here, did I credit my cash? So my cash is high. So it's overstated. Yes or no? And here, I have credited my accounts payable. I created a liability. Am I supposed to create a liability? No, because this is wrong. So my liability is also... Are you with me? Okay, what you don't understand? Because you paid cash to purchase equipment, correct? When you paid cash to buy equipment, your cash will go up or go down. See here, look at me. When you pay cash, will your cash go up or go down? Go. When you go down and buy coffee, your money will go up or go down? Let's assume you are going down to buy coffee. Okay? When you buy coffee, will your money increase or decrease? Decrease. But you have forgotten to record it, or you did not record it. Therefore, will your money decrease? Your record, yes, money in the pocket decrease. Money in your purse decrease. But if you're recording it and you've forgotten to record it as per the record, would your money have decreased? You did not do. So your record is overstated. That is why your asset is overstated. Okay, now you see. Let me repeat. Okay. Shh. Let me repeat. What is the transaction? You bought vacuum cleaner and paid cash. Debit equipment, credit cash. Okay. But when you record it, you debit your equipment, no problem. But you credited your accounts payable. So instead of crediting cash, you have credited payables. So which means instead of reducing the money, you go and create a liability. So therefore, since you did not credit your cash is still overstated. And as for your liability, unnecessarily, you have created a liability. When unnecessarily you create a liability, your liability will be high. Liability will be overstated. Okay? I think you will need to go through my recording. Okay, good. Now, you buy goods from me. Okay? You paid cash. Instead of crediting cash, you credited accounts payable. Instead of crediting cash, you credited accounts payable. Now, my question to you, when you credit your accounts payable, what? When you credit your accounts payable, it shows you owe me money. Yes or no? But do you owe me money? You already pay me, right? You purchase goods by cash. You already paid me, right? But you credited accounts payable. Instead of crediting cash at bank, you credited accounts payable. Instead of reducing your cash, you created a liability. So the consequences, your cash is overstated because you forgot to minus, and your liability is overstated because you have wrongly created a liability. Can? All right, I need to speed up. Okay? Please catch up through my recording. Please catch up with your lecturer. Can? Right, good. Because I got another 3 more. Because I only have 1 hour more to do the double entry. Because now it's almost 11, right? I'm not giving you break. Okay. Once I finish 1 question on double entry, then I let you go lunch. I'm not giving you break because I scared I cannot finish. Can? Okay, come. Okay, what is the transaction here? Provided consultancy service, received full amount of cash. Debit, bank, or cash, credit, revenue. How much? 2005. But what is the problem? You recorded as same account. So what is the effect? Your cash is over, your revenue is. So when revenue is over, profit is, equity is, asset is. Okay. Can easy? Can follow? No, you know what you do, girl. Don't worry. You take your time. You go through one by one, slowly, slow and steady. Don't worry. No, my recording will be up to date. I keep, even though there's a break, my recording is going on. So all my recording will go into LMS. All the recording, I usually will post my recording into LMS. I will do it today itself. Before I leave to Malaysia, I will download and upload it for you. Right, Ken? Ken? Okay, next. Q. What is a transaction for Q? Okay, withdrew 7,000 to pay. So, okay, guys, this can be confusing also. So debit your drawings and credit. But what did you record it as? Expense and credit? Cash. So debit, expense, credit, cash, correct? Okay, any problem with credit? Okay, good. So here, let's see. This one, not recorded. This one, wrongly. Okay, let's see one by one the effect. When you do not record your drawings, when you don't record your drawings, no minus, no minus. So equity is under or over. Very good. Okay, done. Next one. When you wrongly record your expenses, which means that you created expenses, correct? So expenses over profit becomes, when profit is under, equity is also, so equals to, can follow? One minute, 1 minute. Why no effect? Because you got one overstated, you got one understated. Plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. The overstated is for drawings. The understated is for creation of expenses wrongly. Okay? Guys, please. That is where your lecturer, you need to consult your lecturer also, because your lecturer will also see the recording. No, I got no problem in taking more time to explain for you, but I only have 6 hours. You understand or not? That's a problem. If I stay in Vietnam longer, I don't mind giving you consultation, but I have very limited time. Okay, but for finals, I will request more time. Not more time as in, I have class 9 to 12 and then 1 to 4, then I stay back 1 more hour to give you consultation. But for midterm, I have very short time because I have to finish at 4. My flight is at 8:30 at night. I'm going back today itself to Malaysia. Tomorrow morning, I'm working. Yes. Because I have to finish. I got no time to extend. All right. I hope you really understand. Okay. Thank you. All right. Come. What is the transaction? Receive 28,000 cash from bank as a loan. So debit, cash, and credit, loan. Correct? But wrongly recorded as debit, cash, and credit, revenue. Debit, cash, and credit, revenue. So there's no problem with debit, correct or not? But there's a problem here. This is a liability. Did you record? No record. This one is wrong. So therefore, income is under or over. So when income is over, what is the effect on profit? Over. Remember, always remember, income and profit is parallel. Expenses and profit is reverse. Income go up, profit go down. Expenses go up, profit go down. Expenses go down, profit go up. But income and profit, income go down, profit go down, income go up, profit go up. Are you guys with me? Yes or no? So when profit is over, equity is also over. Now, did you record your loan? You never created loan. So no loan, no liability. So liability is under or over? Are you with me? Yes or no? Okay, good. Let me show you something. This is what I have done now, right? I show you one more thing. Give me 1 minute. I show you. I will also share with you this one. This is last semester one. Okay, this is last semester one. You can see here, I have the revision question with notes, revision solution, recording. All I will share. So you will notice this is there. It is opening. Open. So this is got more. I got more questions for you, but you don't see the answer. You try yourself first. But you see, I got a lot. Are you with me? Are you with me? So extra, I think you easily have about 30 to 40 questions. Trust me, you can be a master. Recording is also there, but please try before you see the answer and watch the recording. Try first. Okay? Okay, good. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this one I just posted for you. Okay, Ken? Okay, I want to start with this question, double entry question. But I hope you have your questions with you because I need to do like this. Okay, I need to do like this. Okay, Ken? So you have your questions. you refer to your questions. And this is for me to see. Are you with me? Okay, good. Now, I will stop the recording.